I'm Rick Kaler. Thanks for joining me. In my experience, the number one reason people engage a financial planner is to sleep better at night. Now, that doesn't mean planners give advice on what kind of mattress to buy, but if you ask them, they may get out their consumer report and give you an opinion. Just one example of the type of sleep aid a planner can provide concerns getting the most protection from your homeowner's insurance. You may think, I'm sleeping just fine, thank you. And you may be sleeping just fine because your home and contents are insured. Even so, here are a few things that maybe you should stay awake and worry about. The first thing is having a detailed listing of all your home's contents, along with proofs of purchase and serial numbers. If a fire or flood destroys some possessions, you will need to provide the insurance company a detailed list of everything that you lost. You have that list, right? It's safely stored in a secure location other than your home, right? And of course, you update it annually to keep it current. Well, congratulations. You are one of the 1/100th% of homeowners that do, meaning 99.9% don't. So let's be serious. There is a high probability you don't do this and you're not losing sleep over it. Last time you checked, the amount of your insurance to cover your home's content seemed so high that you could replace everything in your house and have enough left over to furnish your neighbor's place. While you may be right about that, you could be terribly wrong. Do you know for sure? Maybe if you don't have expensive artwork or jewelry, you assume your ordinary belongings wouldn't be that expensive to replace. This isn't necessarily the case. If your refrigerator or your washer and dryer are old enough to vote, you might be shocked at what it would cost to buy new ones today. Or think about what you might spend if you had to replace all the tools in your garage at once. How can you know the true cost of replacing all the contents in your home and that your insurance is high enough to replace them? By having an inventory of them and a reasonable idea of their current replacement cost. Now, if this isn't enough to disturb your sleep, let's try something else. A fire doesn't burn your house to the ground, but the contents in just a portion of it are destroyed. Now, you really need that list. How are you going to prove that your $5,000 upscale mattress wasn't a generic $800 version? Or that your silverware was actually made from silver, not steel? Just having enough coverage won't help you in this situation. This may leave you thinking that maybe you should have a better plan than praying, if there is a disaster to my home, please let it be a complete one. The good news is that there is an easy way to document everything in your home without having to make a detailed list with attached receipts and serial numbers. Simply get out your smartphone, walk through the house, and make a video recording of everything in it. In addition to filming furniture, fixtures, and wall hangings, be sure to open drawers, closets, and boxes. Capture the serial numbers of big-ticket items and be sure to include the garage, all in collections, china, silverware, expensive antiques. Then store the copies of the video in several places, including the cloud, and at least one flash drive located outside your home. Then update your video once a year. If updating the contents portion of your insurance and making a video inventory don't help you sleep better, maybe the problem is your mattress. My advice is to research one through consumer reports before you buy one, and be sure you add it to your home contents video. Thanks for listening.